Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked a particle moves along x-axis with a non-constant acceleration described by a is equal to 12t, where a is meters per second squared and t is in seconds. If particle starts from rest so that the initial velocity and position are 0 when t is equal to 0. So initially the position and the velocity or the speed is 0. Where is it located when t is equal to 2 seconds? Okay, so in this case, we know a is equal to 12t, u, initial speed. It has started from the rest, right? So initial speed will be 0 and time interval they have given as 2 seconds. So in this case, what we're going to find, we want to find s, the position. So s will be, or the distance traveled. So s will be ut plus half at square. Now this u is 0, so this term becomes 0. Half into 12t into t square. So we get this gets cancelled. So 6t cube, s is equal to 6t cube. Now in place of t, we are going to uh, plug in this time interval, 6 into 2 cube. That means 6 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and it is 48 meters. So the position is 48 meters. So option number E is the correct answer.